Today's tip is specifically for teams, larger teams ideally, or those that want to grow a big team. How can you create massive marketing for your team and even improve loyalty amongst your team members? Here's how you do it. You use car wraps. So when I ran my team company, what I did is I had a uniform set of cars. We used Scions at the time, and I had those cars wrapped. And then I would pay a monthly fee to the team members that got that same car, and I paid for the wrapping, obviously. So just imagine this. You're running a team, you get your car wrapped. You don't want to have a super expensive car, obviously. But as you bring people onto your team, a value proposition for them could be that if you get this kind of car, exactly this type, because I already have the design done for the wrap, and you get it wrapped, then I'm going to pay for the wrap, and I'm going to pay you $200 or $300 a month towards your car payment, which is going to be a huge help, might even cover almost all of the car payment of that team member. And now you have all these rolling billboards out there. Anytime one of your team members is driving around on business or even off business, they're going to advertise your team and provide team branding. So what do you need? You need a company like Sanzu that will do the wrapping, number one. It's not as expensive as you might think. You need to have some professional design done. They might be able to help you with that. But you really want to have standout branding, and then just go for it. If you're just about to build a team, just try it yourself. Wrap your car, and then as you build your team, as you bring on a team member, make that part of the deal. If you want to join my team, this is what you need to do. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.